In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the 0x887A0006 or hung error in Fortnite. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the search bar and type Notepad and open it. Once you open it, copy the commands from the description and paste them in the Notepad file. Once you paste them, click on File, click on Save As, and save it on your desktop. Name the file Fortnite. You can name it whatever you want, but make sure that the extension is .reg. And click on Save. And as you can see, the registry file should look like this. Now what you want to do is double click on it, click on Yes. It says, are you sure you want to continue? Click on Yes again. And it says that the keys and values contained in this file have been successfully added to the registry. And click on OK. And now I'm gonna show you how to revert these changes if you don't want them. So basically what you want to do is click on the search bar and type regedit and open the registry editor app. Click on Yes. Now what you want to do is click on the arrow next to HK local machine. Click on the arrow next to System. Click on the arrow next to CurrentControlSet. Click on the arrow next to Control. And now find the GraphicsDrivers folder. Once you find it, just click on it. And here's the new key, the TdrDelay key that you just created. And if you want to revert these changes, what you want to do is click on it, right click on it, click on Delete, and click on Yes. You can now restart your PC. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video if it helped, and if it didn't, then comment down below and I'm gonna try and help you. Thanks for watching again, and bye.